Okay, I completed the brakes today, the rear brakes, including the rear emergency brake, and then I put the wheels on for a test fit. So I don't have the centers on the wheels, so you can't get the full effect of the wheels, but there's what we got. Calipers are in. Clearance is close, but they fit. And then I'm gonna start working on the pedal box, but there's some parts that were bare metal that need painted, so that's what these are hanging here. I've painted those. Those aren't all for the pedal box. Most of those are actually for the door. These are the pedal box parts up here. And here are the pedals. Foot pads. So be going in with pedals maybe tomorrow. We'll see. I'm not in a hurry. Front wheels also did the test fit. Everything seems to fit up in there nice. That's it.